Hey guys, and welcome back to another video at the Slime Lab. So today I'm going to be restocking my slime shop, and I'm so excited. This is a very special restock. I have limited edition Shamrock Shake slime, so we have chocolate shake and vanilla shake. These slimes are so amazing. There are tons of new slimes and some old ones too, and I'm so excited. So let's get on to the restock video. Just before we begin, just to remind you guys, my restock will be tomorrow, Sunday, May 27th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 2018, and it's like my biggest restock ever, so I definitely recommend snatching. So the first slime in the restock today, or tomorrow, is Shamrock Shake. It is back, my bestseller after its 3 restock hiatus. I'm sorry that I haven't had it for the past 3 restocks. I did this purposely because, one, I didn't have the ingredients, and I didn't order them because I was planning on this restock, and I wanted this to be extra special with the return of my bestseller and the welcome to my limited edition ones. And this slime is a super thick and glossy slime. It has some white foam beads, jumbo foam beads. It has a nice Shamrock Shake, like it looks like a Shamrock Shake. It has a mint chocolate Shamrock Shake scent. It smells just like the actual drink, and it's so thick and glossy and bubble poppy and so thwacky, and this is my highest rated and bestseller slime. So if you can only get one thing, definitely get this. Don't get anything else if you can only get one thing. Definitely get this. I have a lot of these this week because it's my bestseller, and this restock is basically themed for my bestseller, celebration of it, and I'm so excited for you guys to purchase, to see the new limited edition ones, because they're also thick and glossy, and it's so thick, and definitely get this one because I definitely recommend it. So next, we have the 2 limited edition Shamrock Shake slimes, vanilla and chocolate Shamrock Shake, otherwise known as, I'll be calling them vanilla and chocolate shake. So first, let's get to vanilla shake. Vanilla Shake is a super thick and creamy and glossy slime. It's kind of like cereal milk slime with the white foam beads. It has the same texture as Shamrock Shake. It smells just like vanilla. It's super thick, super glossy, and if you have Shamrock Shake, I definitely recommend grabbing these limited edition Shamrock Shakes because they will not be coming back, and they are special. So I definitely recommend grabbing it. It's super thick, super glossy, and has a really nice vanilla scent. It's super stretchy too, and has some crunch from the jumbo white foam beads, and it has great bubble pops. And if I didn't mention it before, which I don't think I did, Shamrock Shake will, the limited edition Shamrock Shakes will be only available in 8 ounces, but there are a few 4 ounces for the normal Shamrock Shake. So the next one is Chocolate Shake, Chocolate Shamrock Shake, limited edition for my bestseller Shamrock Shake, like Vanilla Shake. It has jumbo white foam beads, like Shamrock Shake. It has a really nice, it looks exactly like a chocolate milkshake that you would get at a burger place, and it's super thick and super glossy. I don't know what I did with this one, but it came out thicker than normal, but it did come out a little bit thicker than the other 2, but there's nothing wrong with that. And it smells just like chocolate, like a chocolate milkshake. It smells so good. It's really sweet, and I love the slime. So this next one is Ursula. This slime is a purple metallic slime. And it has green foam beads to represent like seaweed because she comes from the sea. And the purple is to represent Ursula because she is purple. I think that's what I think that she is. I think she's like purple. This is a super thick clear based pigmented slime. It smells just like ocean breeze and sea berries, and it's super thick. This is one of the thickest slimes I have ever made because clear slimes are really thick. I don't know why. But it's also very thwacky and holdable too. And I love this one. It's so pretty and I definitely recommend this one. But I would just like to say that Ursula will only be available in 8 ounces. It is in a 6-ounce container because my personal isn't a 6-ounce. I don't know why, it just is, but yeah. So this next slime is called Melted Lollipop. And this slime is a super like thick school glue slime. It has some hollow glitters on the top when you first get it. It smells just like a melted lollipop would. And it comes with 1 lollipop charm. It's a super thick school glue based slime. It has a like pink color to represent the melted lollipop, and it's super thick and glossy, and it smells just like lollipops. The scent is mouth-watering. I could smell it for so long. It's so amazing. This is so thick, one of the thickest slimes in my shop, and so glossy. And it doesn't even, the gloss doesn't even go away if you play with it for so long. Like, what? And it's really flocky, and this is something that I definitely recommend you grab tomorrow in the shop. This next one is called Cupid's Donuts. It is a butter sleigh slime. It has a super bubbly base. It has some heart clay sprinkles and some glitter pigment, pink glitter pigment at the top. It has also some more of those hearts at the bottom, and it's a super stretchy and spreadable sleigh butter slime. It's in the middle of a butter slime and a sleigh slime because it has a little bit more clay than a sleigh slime would, but a little bit less than a butter slime would. But it is super thwacky and thick, and it smells just like donuts, and hence the name. And it's super bubble poppy and creamy, and this is like one of the only butter slimes that I've had in my shop. I haven't had many butter slimes, but I love butter slimes and definitely want to do more. So the next slime is my special texture sugar fluff. This slime is called Whipped Cream. It is a super thick and glossy sugar fluff, and it is super creamy. If you don't know what a sugar fluff is, there's a video on it, so go check that out. This is a super thick slime and super creamy. It's white and smells just like whipped cream and vanilla, and it looks like whipped cream to me, and it's super creamy, and definitely recommend sugar fluff texture if you are ever looking for a new type of slime. Definitely check out a sugar fluff. This is the only sugar fluff I'll have this restock, and I'm planning on making more in the next few weeks. This next slime is my third most best-selling slime ever. It's a super thick, pigmented, clear slime. It is Nerd's Rope. It doesn't smell exactly like Nerd's Rope. It smells like candy, and and a French vanilla. It has various colors of fishbowl beads, female hearts, and jumbo rainbow flow beads. The color is so beautiful. This slime is so beautiful. It has so much stuff in it, and it's so nice. And I definitely recommend grabbing this one. It's my second most bestsellers, and it sells out really fast. I have 3 out of 4 of my best-selling slimes in this restock, and I hope to have all 4 next time. So get hyped. And if you didn't get to snatch a bestseller this time, maybe you can snatch it next time. But 3 out of the 4 of the bestsellers are in this restock, so I definitely recommend snatching them. So guys, this is the last slime. It is called S'mores Crunch. It smells just like s'mores and has some double Java chips and some regular Java chips. It is also a stuffed slime, so it has some white packing peanuts and some jumbo white and some mini black foam beads. It is super crunchy and smells just like s'mores and marshmallows, and it's super thick and creamy, and it's just super airy too, and I definitely recommend this one for my shop. And I definitely think that this slime is worth your money. I love stuffed slimes, and I think that you guys will like it too. This is my first like big slime, and I definitely think, not big slime, like my first slime with Java chips and packing peanuts, and I think the texture is so amazing. So I definitely think it is worth it. So thank you guys for watching this restock video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to purchase from my restock tomorrow and subscribe down below. Don't forget that I will be attending Slime Bash 2. I do not know if I will be selling, but I will keep you updated. And thank you guys for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found something you would like to purchase. Down below is a link to my shop, and it's theslimeupstore.com if you were wondering. And thank you guys for watching, and bye!